Hi, my name is Rebecca. I'm the Quality Assurance Manager for a company that makes custom corrugated boxes. I give FileHold a 5 out of 5. Before we got FileHold, we had all of our documents on a shared drive on our computers. The shared drive was organized but not very well, and it was very difficult to find anything that you needed because nobody cleaned the directories out and there was a lot of clutter in there, and you had to know the exact name of the documents you were looking for. FileHold enables you to search words within documents, so it is definitely an improvement over what we had. When I was looking for a document management program, I searched several websites online, and I found that FileHold had a lot of videos where they explained their process and they explained their program, and it seemed like it was definitely a user-friendly program and would have all the features that we wanted. So I decided to check out a couple different ones, and after going through some different evaluations with other ones, I decided on FileHold. The training for FileHold was very good. The instructor definitely took the time to understand what you were looking for and to explain all the processes. So when we first set it up, I went through some administration training so that I could get the program up and going. But as I started to use each new document, I could go back to FileHold and they would help me set up each new thing and explain a lot more of the features that at the beginning I didn't use all those features, but as I've gotten into it more, they're always able to train and help and get us up to speed on any new features. If you're looking for a document management program, FileHold is an excellent program to use. It is web-based and it is very easy to use. The people that I've interacted with there, all of them have been very nice, very knowledgeable, very helpful in all ways. So I would definitely recommend them.